Hi everyone. Today I'm trying to share a web app developed by me that generates a knowledge graph from PDF documents. So in the left-hand side, we can see a PDF document, and we all know going through scientific research papers is not quite always interesting. So I use a AI model to extract this knowledge graph. So this graph basically is the interconnected information that are extracted based on this PDF. So the unique thing is I have extracted the information in the form of questions. So instead of presenting you all paragraphs, I'm specifically extracting different questions that is being answered based on the PDFs. And we could now first look at the questions. And if we find this question interesting, then we could hover on this and we can see the answers being highlighted here, and it also shows which specific page number this answer was extracted from, and which section the section name is also being displayed there. So more importantly, if I hover here, then like the page that which is related to this specific information will be highlighted in the left view. So yeah, and now we could trace which informations are interconnected with each other, and depending upon that we could find the importance of what the specific thing the paper is talking about, and we could understand the paper more effectively. So right now it just shows the text information, but in the future I will be operating this model to extract the tables and extract the images, and we can display an image node here as well so that it will be more intuitive. And so right now it's just showing a sample page. So if you go to this particular URL, then it will by default show this UI. But now if you want to upload your own PDF, then you can click this process PDF button and select PDF document. Now I have selected a new document, and first it loads the PDF document here, and we could see the the app is processing this document and trying to generate the visualization. So it will take some time, maybe like 1 or 2 minutes, depending upon the size of the PDF. Also, I want to mention that right now it only supports up to 30 pages. So if you upload documents beyond that page number, then it will clip the document to 30 pages and ignore all the information beyond that. So now, once this loading is complete, we will see the information graph is being generated. So this graph is totally based on this particular document. So now we could see that like some informations are disconnected, but some informations are like, coherent to each other. And if we go to like center of this graph, then we could see this specific question: what are the additional ALE terms in the weak form? Then we could see the answer for that. And if we like find this concept more interesting, or we want to learn specifically more about this, then we could see the page that is highlighted when I click this, when I hover this node, and we could go through this page in more details. So same goes to other nodes, and we could see how the connections between connection between multiple nodes are established. So we could see the more bigger picture of the document in a more graphical manner. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. So if you can go to this URL to find this app, or you could visit my website vivekparazuli.com, and here you'll find this knowledge graph or web app, and you can click launch app, and it should launch this app. So yeah, thank you for watching.